Hello student, today we are going to discuss chapter 7 Non-Cooperation Movement. Question first, rewrite the statement by choosing the appropriate option. First, Gandhiji began his career from the country of Dash. Answer is South Africa. Farmers started the no tax movement in the district of Dash. Answer is Kheda. 3. As a protest to Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rabindranath Tagore returned the title of bestowed upon him by the British government. The answer is Sir. Next question. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First, which restrictions were put upon the blacks in South Africa according to the declaration of 1906? Answer is in 1906 the government declared that it was compulsory for the blacks to carry an identity card and their freedom was restricted as well. Next question is where did Gandhiji launch the first satyagraha in India? The answer is Gandhiji launched the first satyagraha in Champaran. Third question, which officer gave order of firing in the Jallianwala Bagh? Is General Dyer gave order of firing in the Jallianwala Bagh. Next question, answer the following questions in 25 to 30 words. Question first, explain the philosophy of Satyagraha. The answer is Satyagraha is a Sanskrit word means holding on to the truth. It was used in early 20th century by Mahatma Gandhi as a form to resist evil in the non-violence method. Satyagraha became a major role in the Indian struggle against the Britishers and was also adopted by many groups in other countries as well. According to this philosophy, Satyagraha observe a non-violence method in their mind with peace and love in the spirit and follow the process of self-security. They never submit to the wrong and cooperate with them. Through the use of truth, they do not wish to use any violent method which can hurt the opposite party. They do not wish to defeat opposite to or over them, but rather focus only on a new harmony. This is drawn from the ancient philosophy of the Ahimsa introduced by the Jains in Gujarat. Next question is why was the Swaraj Party established? Answer, the Swaraj Party was founded by C.R. Das Motilal Nehru in January 1923. After the Gaya Annual Conference in December 1922 of the National Congress, there were some Congress leaders who advocated the idea of using violent methods to fight the Britishers. They wanted to pressurize the British government for various reforms. Keeping in mind this objective, this party was formed. They felt that the method of peaceful protest was not adequate enough for freedom. It was also called the Congress Khilafat Party. Next question, explain the following statements with reason. Rowlatt Act was supposed by the people of India. Answer is this act gave the right to the government to arrest anybody without any warrant or imprison without any trial, appeal the prohibited against the punishment given through this act. The Indian called this act as Black Act. Next question, Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. Answer is in February 1922 the police opened fire on the peaceful procession at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. The people were angry and set fire to the police station, in which along with one officer 22 policemen were killed. Due to these incidents, Gandhiji was hurt. On 12 February 1922 Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. Next question, the Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. Answer is that reforms introduced by Montagu Chelmsford Act of 1919 were unsatisfactory. Hence, there was discontent among the Indian people. On this background, the British appointed a commission under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon. In this commission, none of the Indian members was included. Hence, the Congress decided to boycott the commission. Next question, Khilafat movement was started in India? Answer is first point, the Muslims all over the world regarded the ruler of Turkey as their religious leader. Second point, during the First World War, Turkey had fought against the British. Third point, in order to get the support of Indian Muslims in the war, the British assured them that after the end of the war, Khalifa Empire will not be harmed.